Welcome back to MiiBooth, Irfan here. Now this is the BenQ EH600 Smart Projector. Well, usually big and bulky projectors are not my speed, but this one had quite some fun things to try out, so I thought, why not? Some of these things might be more fun in the office rather than home, but we are in the times when homes are offices, so it might actually be useful. Alright, I'm going to show you 5 fun things you can do with a smart office projector. But first, unboxing. Inside the packaging, we have the projector, a power cord, a VGA cable, a remote control, a Wi-Fi dongle for wireless connections, and some quick start guides. Now this is pretty much the full-size projector you must have seen in classrooms or conference rooms, but it does have a couple distinct functions which I'll be going over in a moment. So you've got the control panel on the projector itself with all the basic functions, massive vents on the sides. On the back you have all the ports including male and female VGA ports, USB, audio in and out, HDMI, etc, etc. And finally you have the projection lens, which is supposedly a full glass array and comes with a zoom and focus wheel. Alright, item number 1, casting any screen onto the projector. Now after turning it on, I'll go ahead and plug the wireless dongle and proceed with connecting the projector to the Wi-Fi. Once that is done, now you can cast any device's screen onto the projector wirelessly, provided it is connected to the same Wi-Fi. For an iPhone, simply pull up the control center, tap on screen mirroring, and select the projector when it appears in the list, and it instantly shows up on the screen. You can swipe through your phone, play games, watch videos, etc., either it be on your phone or YouTube. One clever thing is that when you go to your photos and tap on a picture, now it doesn't limit it to the size of the phone screen projection. It brings it to full size of the projector screen, like this. Also the same with videos, by the way. Let me take a moment to point out the quality since we are at it. The projector has a native resolution of 1080p and also auto color correction. What that means is that the wall I'm projecting onto is not plain white, it is off-white. In spite of that, the display is color correct and you don't have to adjust that manually. Also, the wall has a couple of marks on it, so ignore that. I couldn't get hold of a projection screen, so I had to manage with what I have. Other than iPhones, you can mirror your Windows PC by launching Google Chrome, clicking on the 3 dots. By the way, forgive me for my video recording. The screen I know is not clear at all, but you will see it clearly in the next clip. Go to Cast and then let it look for devices. Once detected, connect to it and it will cast the browser. Now if you want to cast not just the browser but the desktop itself, then go to the same place, and this time click on Source and select Desktop. Now select the projector and click Share over here. Now you can cast anything from your PC, including presentations, conference calls, etc. You can also do this with Android and macOS devices, but I don't have any recent ones which I can try it with. Anyways, fun thing number 2 is more related to work, and that is embedded work apps. It comes with 3 preloaded apps which especially nowadays are considered to be essential since almost everyone is working from home because of the coronavirus situation. Number 1 is Blizz video conferencing app, where multiple people can video call like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. The other app is TeamViewer Support. You can basically allow someone else to remote access your projector via TeamViewer to troubleshoot in case there is an issue, so no one has to physically come over to fix it. And thirdly, WPS Office allows you to directly run PowerPoint presentations or other Microsoft Office files on the projector. Just to let you know, the projector has a 2 GB processor running on basic Android user interface and has a built-in memory of 6 GB. Fun thing number 3 is a mix of Office and Play. Now you can load files via USB flash drive and play it directly on the projector. These can be audio, video, pictures, and once again Microsoft Office files like PowerPoint, Excel, etc. Now I haven't spoken about the picture quality so far. It's vibrant, sharp across the screen. There are multiple picture modes like presentation, infographic, video, sRGB, etc. for specific types of content, and the brightness is also adjustable. At full, it is super bright and you practically don't need another light bulb in the room. Also, the projection size can be between 60 and 180 inches. Right now, I'm at the lower end at about 70 to 75 inches. Fourth thing you can do is Firefox. Now it also comes with preloaded Firefox browser, so you can browse internet right from here in between streaming other content or presentations, and you can even play YouTube on it. If you think navigation is going to be an issue, well, the remote has got you covered. It has a shortcut to virtually all the functions the projector has to offer, including a mouse cursor. And if that is not enough, we come to item number 5, which is the BenQ Smart Control app. You can download it on iOS or Android and then connect it to your projector. From here, you can control all the functions just like the remote, such as moving up and down and through the options, adjusting volume. Additionally, you can use the phone screen as a mousepad and the phone's keyboard for quick typing instead of the projector's virtual keyboard. Oh, and I forgot, it has a tiny speaker as well. Not loud at all unless you're sitting close to it or in a quiet room. So let's see what we can do with the remaining 7. Now, first thing I need is a nice looking wooden base, like in the picture. I got this very cool wooden collection box from a Japanese store for. But you do have an option of routing the audio to external speakers via the aux cable, so that might help. So yeah, that's about it. It's a very decent office projector to start with, and the option of wireless casting from multiple devices and embedded apps make it a desirable choice for modern day workspaces and classrooms. At $1,000, it is a little steep to be considered for household use, but we are in strange times at the moment, and if there is a device that can handle work, study, and play, then you might want to consider it. Anyways, I'll leave a link in the description box below in case you want to check it out. That's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below and share the video with your friends. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe to MiiBooth for more gadget reviews, life hacks, and DIYs. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. Stay safe and thanks for watching.